Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bubble circles underwater. Start by forming a firm O with your mouth and exhaling steadily while positioning a ring or smooth surface at the water surface. Keep your lips relaxed and use short controlled bursts to shape the bubble. Practice angling the camera and timing to capture the full circle before it disperses. Repeat until you can perform several circles in a row without disturbing the water. Good breath control makes repeatable bubble circles, so breathe calmly and focus on small, precise bursts. Begin with gentle practice sessions and increase force slowly to avoid breaking the ring. Adjust your lip aperture and tongue placement to fine-tune diameter and stability. Record each attempt to compare angle and force differences and learn what produces the cleanest circles. Keep sessions short to avoid fatigue and to stay consistent with technique. Once you master basic rings, try subtle variations like adding spin, changing ring size, or using a shallow tub to minimize surface turbulence. Small wrist motions can impart rotation that stabilizes the circle and makes it travel. You can experiment with different ring materials to see which gives the cleanest detachment. Record with a higher frame rate to analyze failures and successes, then repeat the best motions until they become natural and consistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.